my beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested and one of the very special pick a card readings. Yes, friends, many of you requested it, so here it is now. This is a unique pick a card reading, and it is about how your first night will be with your partner, your lover, your husband, your wife, your twin flames. So make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. And this is a juicy pick a card reading, and there is also a surprise element in this reading, so wait for it at the end of every pile. So this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com, and you can book your own 2021 personal readings. I have been doing a lot of them, and I did also for 2020. So those who got it were very lucky. So book yours now because they are super detailed, super accurate, and they are they are more in depth than these readings. So yeah. And let's not talk any further. Are you excited? I'm excited about this reading. And the card choices picked today's pick choices are very beautiful. These hearts. And so let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1. This beautiful red heart. Wow, it's so glittery. I love it. Option number 2. This beautiful silver heart. Option number 3, the beautiful purple heart. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there and choose your option. You can also choose the more than one pile, like for twin flame, a different one, and for your soulmate, different. And also you can watch the entire video, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, because one person, one lucky winner will be randomly selected for a free reading at the end of every month. This is our way of giving back to you, so subscribe, like, and share, friends. And the channel schedule is I post on alternate days in Hindi and Urdu and English. So that's the channel schedule. If you don't like it, I can't help it, because that is how it has been since years. So if today it is English, tomorrow will be it is the other language reading. So one day wait is not too long. I also post in between horoscope readings, which are always English. Subscribe, like, and share, friends. Yes, and why we are bilingual? Because almost everyone here is bilingual, in fact multilingual. So yes, friends, yes, and thank you for your love and support. So let's begin. For those who chose option number 1, let's see how your first night will be for those who chose this beautiful heart. And there is a surprise which we will see at the end of this reading. For those who chose option 1, this is your extra oracle messages. These are your love messages. Let's see who is the person, your first night, how it will be, who is it with. Ooh, the sun. Oh my god, I feel your first night is going to be with your twin flame or someone who is very special to you. It could be your husband, your wife. So yes, congratulations. Look at that. And I feel it will be a very happy day for you. You're gonna feel very happy, and you're gonna feel very excited that day. And I also feel that it is like the meeting of the twin flames. It is like the meeting of two souls rather than two bodies. It will be a very special, a very unique day for both of you. A lot of excitement will be there. And I do feel it won't be the first night. It is like a full day, because this person likes you a lot, and you're gonna spend the entire day, entire weekend together. Because I don't think so you and them can get over each other in just one night. So you need more time, so so you're gonna start early. I think they're gonna spend the weekend or the entire week with you, and they're gonna like it, and you also gonna love it. I do feel it might be, your first night with this person might be in some place which is warm, a warm country. Maybe in the warm countries. I'm not sure, Asia somewhere, where it is warmer than you live, it is like warm, it is beautiful, it's a pleasant day. Maybe it is in Philippines or somewhere, I don't know, but it's beautiful there. Or Holland with flowers, Amsterdam, you have those flowers, tulips and all those things. So maybe there or somewhere which is beautiful. And wow, the Two of Cups. I think this person is really gonna romance you very well. And they are going to treat you well. This person is into romance. They are high on romance, high on passion. So you are going to enjoy a great food, a great time with them, lots of talking with them, getting to know them. I feel this person is someone who wants to tell you, who wants to speak a lot to you. So you'll be very excited. This is not just about, passion, passion, passion. No, they will treat you well. They will respect you a lot. They want to share their heart with you. And I see they're gonna look into your eyes and kiss you a lot, because they are very loving. This person is very loving, look at that. Very loving, very sweet, and passionate. And I think this person's passions take time to grow, like they start the morning the breakfast with you. They want to kiss you in the bed, prepare some breakfast for you, then take a bath with you, and then they're gonna cook, go take you out for lunch, go out camping for lunch, or maybe shopping for, and then take you back and have a candlelight dinner. So they love the entire thing about romance and passion. This person is not just like, let's just do it, jump in the bed and get done with it. Nah, that's not their style. They are classy. This is a classy person. And I think you also are classy, pile number one. You're also very, very passionate. So is this person. There is something very exciting about this person's eyes and your eyes. So I do see that they're gonna look into your eyes, kiss you a lot, forehead kisses, smooches. Yes. So let's see, Ace of Swords. Yeah, this person is going to talk a lot. I think their style of lovemaking is talking, sweet little, sweet nothings, and they like to talk, they like to bang you, they like to talk. So their style is everything. They like the whole romance, and it won't it I do feel it will be a long night or a long week, an extended week or a month. This person is like, I don't mind spending a week, I don't mind spending my whole life with you. So that's the person. They will be like, if this is a first night, this will be a honeymoon for week, for months, at least 15 days, nothing less than that. This person is like, nah, I don't want lesser than that. It doesn't they can't have less of you, they want more of you. And I do see they want to talk a lot with you, share a lot of things. I think maybe you have met this, but maybe you haven't got a chance to talk with them from a long, long time, or maybe you both are very busy in work. So they will use this time to also talk and share and open their heart. And I do see that they like, if you have long hairs, they're gonna really love it. And even if he's a man, I do see they have long hairs, or someone who likes, who has a fantasy of long hairs and long legs. So yeah, I do feel. I think the more stronger and passionate person is our viewer. So I think you're gonna dominate them a little. And this person is like, ooh, they're gonna get surprised, like, oh. So our viewers are hot and sexy. Yeah, I can tell you that. I can bet you on that. And yeah, so I think they are going to be surprised by your boldness in love in the bed, and they're going to really like it. I think you are going to go down on this person, and they will be like, oh my god, OMG. So so they are going to love it, friends. They are, and they like your dominance. Even especially if you are a woman and this person is a guy, they're gonna love the way you dominate them and take charge of the situation. I think that's what they want. They are leading you to it, rather than they dominating it. I think that's his way or her way of taking things into romance. And Yeah, I do feel the Nine of Cups. Wow, I think it will be a very happy time for both of you, and you're gonna feel really special, because this person is not just about body, body, body. No, this person is not at all they like your soul, they like your body, they like your heart, they like your eyes, and they're gonna really, this person is like the one who likes the wine, the champagne, and the cocktail, the chocolate, the drippers, they like to dip things into it and lick it. So that's how they are, and they will give you a whole romantic feel, not just the one, just the hot, messy, passionate bed. No, that's not their style. They're gonna love you and really love you, and they feel very. I think you may have known this person from a long time, or maybe you both are twin flames. This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They could be any sun sign, but this person feels like someone you have known or met again after a long separation. So maybe your twin flame, or maybe someone you like, some friend you knew but you got married, or you're spending some time with them. So wow, this is you're gonna really feel very happy. You're gonna feel like you got this night or this time with them after waiting for ages, maybe lifetimes. So this is special. This is special. This person is going to romance you like anything. Look at that, King of Cups. This is a gentleman or a gentlewoman you have here. They are beautiful, they are caring, they want to satisfy you, they want to respect you, and they have a fantasy with chocolate, with wine, and licking things, So that's how they are, and they are very respectful. You will not feel anything awkward with them, and I think your love language is more or less similar. Your love making languages is more or less similar. They are obsessed with your eyes, with your body, and with your female parts, of course. But even if they are a man and you are a woman, you might be obsessed with their eyes, with their beauty, their shoulders, their neck. So you're gonna really like this person, and they just will adore looking at you. So it's a special time for both of you, and it is something you have waited, both of you have waited a very long time. So let's see what else. Wow, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, this person takes their time in bed. They take their time. Foreplay is their, forte. Foreplay is into, they like to foreplay. They like to take their time. They like to also, they are not just about their own satisfaction. They also want your satisfaction, your happiness. So this person is like, they're gonna make you they're gonna make you feel very satisfied in the bed or in the love making scene. So you're gonna not you're gonna you will have no complaints. I feel they are very, very expert in what they do, and then understand your body, like all the things you have imagined what you can do or how it will happen, they have also thought about it. So there is this crazy intimacy there going on, crazy chemistry with this person, and they're gonna take their time, in jumping into the bed. No, that's not their style. They're gonna take their time because they understand that the love, romance is like, it grows, it grows. Passions grow with romance, they are both, intermingling. So you can't separate one without, one with the other. You just can't. It is like the body has the soul. So you have to love the soul to make the body happy. So they're gonna love your soul. They're gonna look into your eyes. They're gonna comb your hairs, feed you breakfast, and also take a lot of love from you. I do see this person is into biting and licking a lot. So yeah, I think the dominating ones are our viewers. I have absolutely zero doubt here. You guys gonna dominate this person, and they are going to let you do that because they are a charming person and they have waited for this a long time. I think this person is actually they have fantasized this a lot of you in their bed, and making love to you, preparing breakfast for you, and all those things. So this person is like, I can't believe it. It is happening, So they're gonna take all their time. They're gonna enjoy every little moment, and so are you. And look at that, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. My God, you're gonna dominate that. Look at that. You are fiery. Our viewers are. You are passionate. You are mad, and this person is gonna like it. They are, I do feel like most of the time in the bed you will dominate or you will control them, but they like it. They are very like, yeah, take it, do whatever you want to do with me, I don't mind, baby. So they are very, very charming, that's the word. And I think it's a very rare quality, especially if they are a man. It's a very rare quality. Even if she's, most of the time women are considered to be more what, less dominating probably. But this time, if this is the guy, they love it. They want you to be dominating to them, and they like that how focused you are and how sure about everything you are. And I do think they will talk about your future plans and all those things even on the first night, because they are interested in knowing you. They want to know you, they want to make you happy. What are your desires, what you like, what you don't like. Hygiene is good, they want to impress you. This person wants to impress you. They will not leave anything in between, like, no, that's not their style. And I do see this person will take you, they will prepare something like a balcony or like a special lights and wine and chocolates. That's their style. A lot of licking, a lot of shower, combing your hairs, giving you sweet kisses. That's their style, and they will let you dominate them. So, and this person could also be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And if they are a Scorpio, my God, friends, don't be scared, because if they are pretending to let you dominate, don't get scared, because once the beast is out, uh, the beast is out, right? So they'll pretend well on their first night, like, yeah, I'm a very sweet guy, I'm a very sweet girl, but they have a lot of tricks up there head or in their mind or in their heart, but they're gonna pretend like, oh, I'm a sweet baby, I'm innocent as a kid, I don't know a lot. They are, it's an enticing game. You both gonna play, and I think you're gonna really. And it is an extended date. It is not like first night. It is like the whole week or the whole month together. I see you doing shopping. I see you going out. It's a very lovey-dovey thing, and everybody can feel the energy of love around you. The sexual chemistry, the passion. It's mind-boggling. And let's see what else. Wow, open up the Four of Wands. Yeah, definitely this person and you are twin flames, or you have a very, very strong sexual chemistry with them. And I think like you gonna really feel very comfortable. Our viewers are gonna feel very comfortable with this person. And I think even you don't expect like you're gonna dominate them, but you will, because you feel so happy and they feel so blessed to let you take charge. So you will be like, see, I'm gonna show you who is the man, who is the woman here. You're gonna really, really enjoy, friends. And I think they will share their heart. They will tell you some important things. I think this person will like to kiss you out in the open, under the sky, in the night, and tell you something, like they have been waiting for you since a long time. So there is a lot of talking. There's a lot of sharing. Their heart is in it, friends. They are very romantic. Look at that, number 14, balance. Yeah, this person understands, that they are they understand that life is about love, is a give and take, passions, even sexual chemistry is a give and take, and they will let you dominate. They are very smart, they are very sweet. You will have no complaints with them. You are, look, the one half of, you look at that, twin souls. It's beautiful. This is a very I'm keeping it very sweet. Why? Because this is not an adult's reading, but I think this is better. I wanted to get other things also, not just that, because this is a very intense connection. They are your twin flame or your soulmate, and maybe for some of you this is a same-sex relationship. So you're gonna really, really enjoy with them. And they are your perfect match. Look at that, you both are perfect. And 14th might be important, like it's their birth date, or maybe that's the day you go, or number 5 is important. So let's see. Exchanging gifts. Number 27. Yeah, I do feel they're gonna surprise you with strawberries dipped in chocolates, or chocolate nuts. When you crack, you find a surprise. They might also have a sudden a ring hidden somewhere, so they have a lot of surprises for you. And I do feel like they will make a balcony for you, which is lit with lights and champagne and pastries, chocolates. And I do see they're gonna tell you something, or they're gonna really gift you some dress or something, and they are like, oh my god, this person is all about you, friends. They are, I think they have never they will take some time to believe that you are theirs, and finally in there, like they have you. It's like you're officially theirs. They are like, oh my god, I can't believe it. I do see they will gift you some amazing dresses, and some beautiful sexy dresses, and I think you're gonna look like a bombshell, and they're gonna really like that, really, really like that. And they're very decent, so you have nothing to worry about, and they are very caring also. Breathe. Number 29. I do feel they like the fresh air. I don't know why I keep getting that they might take you out on a do it on a balcony under the covers, but in the fresh air. They might like to kiss you on a rooftop, or they might prepare a rooftop just for you and them. So they are very special. They like things like this, and they feel very destined, that this is the destined thing, and you will both feel like, yes, it's perfect, it's perfect. So get your body, get ready. I think they are going to gift you a lot of sexy things, so you're gonna love it. So get your body in shape, I would say. Even if you are a man, no harm in getting your body in shape. Number 29 is also important, I feel. And also, you will have a lot of time. It won't be something which is rushed, like just one night. Breathe. I think it will be very exciting and very sexy, passionate. So you might both feel out of breath, once they are making, into both are into love making. So they want to take it into extended, they will take it like more than a night, maybe a week, or maybe a month. So they have some time to relax and enjoy also with you, because it will be a mad and passionate sex. Don't believe, don't take it like they are all sober. If they are a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, get ready for some action. Even if they are Aries, Leo, Sag, get ready for some action. So yeah, what else? Yeah, I think they're gonna like to see you get charge of things. So they like that thing. Let's see some romance angels messages for you. Let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Wow, I do feel, they might surprise you. This might be something they might do before the wedding, also, right before the wedding, So they might ask their friends to surprise you, or, secretly take you out and, surprise you with this date or something, and this night out or this weekend getaway. So, yeah, they are going to really surprise you, shock you. And it might be maybe right on the day, right, like you are preparing for the wedding, or you are preparing for this, uh, they might surprise you. They will surprise you. Even if you are not getting married, they are going to surprise you. They are going to plan this with your friends or with their friends, and boom, they just, like, somebody tells you to go this way and this way. There's a booking for you, and when you go, they are like, oh my god, they are ready for you with flowers and champagne and everything, and you're like, what happened? So, so they're gonna trick you, they're gonna surprise you. So that's interesting, very interesting. Then I see, like, they might surprise you with a wedding ring also, like, they might propose you on this night also, so you will not be expecting, So when they take you out on a dinner or something, they might actually propose you at the wedding, because you have this marriage card here, so they might propose you then only. So, oh my god, it might happen all before the wedding. Yoo-hoo! So even more exciting, butterflies in my tummies. So let's wait. So are you ready for the surprise, friends? There is a surprise in this reading, and ooh la la, make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot if you enjoy the surprise. So let's see what is your surprise. Let's see. I have a love letter from this person or from your lover that you have in mind. Let's see what they have to say. And look at that. Here is the the love letter. So yeah, Let's see what they want to tell you, what they want to say to you. Let's read. Are you ready? Good. My star-crossed lover, I'm in awe of your heart and beauty. I never thought I could find a love like yours. But I did in you. I know I'm not perfect and often do things that you dislike. But my love, I do love you so very much and want you with all my heart. I hope you will forgive me for everything. I am getting better in accepting love. I am no longer running away from you. I am yours and you are mine forever and for always. Ooh, that's beautiful, friends. That's beautiful. Look at that. This is the letter here, and wow. So I do feel like this person knows you, and they are your twin flame, and they might be, maybe some things are off right now between you and them, but things will get better. They are getting perfect for you. They told you that they are getting ready. What is it that they say? I hope you will forgive me for everything. I am getting better in accepting your love. I am no longer running away. I'm yours and you are mine forever and for always. Oh, that's beautiful. That's amazing. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram and let me know if you enjoyed these today's different style of readings. I thought it might be good to, it is the holiday season, so, it's good to add this extra magic. Subscribe, like, and share, and bye for now. So, friends, for those who chose option number 2, let us see how your first night will be with this person, or with the person, with how your first night is going to be. These are your oracle messages. This is your love advice. And let us see your cards. So this is a very special reading. There is a surprise at the end of this reading, so make sure to watch it whole. Let us see how your first night will be with your person you have in mind, the Emperor. Oh my God, this person is, they are the alpha male, the alpha female. So get ready. This is going to be a passionate, super, super passionate night. And they are really experienced and they know how to do things well, and they are a perfectionist, so get ready. They have flaunt it all. This person is an alpha female or an alpha male, like they are dominating, they are passionate, and they like to take charge. And I see they really like you. They have their eyes already on you, pile number 2. So interesting. Let's see what else. The Four of Cups. I do feel, like on your first night, there might be less talking and more of action. I think you might want to have some talking or some, relaxation or some fun, but they mean their business. They are serious. They are like, babes, you're mine. I'm your daddy. I mean my business. So get ready for some action. So I do feel you might get, they are very hot. This person you are with, in your first night, maybe your twin flame, maybe it's your husband or wife, maybe it's your lover. It can be anybody. We have no judgments here. We are all spiritual people, good people here. So I think you may feel like, you need some time, because they are hot, they are passionate, and they're gonna like, I'm not gonna stop like forever. They can go on and on and on. Their energy, their stamina is too high, and they love you and they want you. And look at that, the Six of Pentacles. I do feel at your first night, you might be like, this person is into role play. I have a very strong feeling like they are into role play, and they like, they are into role plays, and they might be, they like to grab, they like to eat you, and they also expect the same. So they might be a little demanding, and you might feel like, oh my God, they are too hot, they are too sexy, and what am I supposed to do? Maybe pile number 2, you are a bit unprepared because you were expecting a little less wild action. But this person is like, nah, I am the boss. I'm the babes. I'm the boss. I'm gonna lead. I also feel like you may want a little bit of, like, hey, let's talk a bit. You might find them a bit dominating, but yeah, that's their style. Two of swords. Yeah, I do feel, this person definitely is into role play. They like that. I become the, you become the cop, I become the, bad person, handcuffs, blindfolds, all those things. This person just loves undressing you and putting those blindfolds, or maybe they like to, tie themselves up and let you do the action for them. So they are into role plays, they have a lot of thought into it. So you gotta get ready. If you are not that kind of a person, you have to like talk with them maybe, because they are into, the 50 shades of gray. They like that stuff, they love their passion, they have thought about every area, every nook and corner, every position. So get ready, friends. You will be like, will I be able to manage it all? And I think you will do fine, but like they're gonna dominate you initially. So get ready. The Knight of Rods, yeah, this person is very, 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 very passionate. So get ready. Your first night will be with an Aries, Leo, Sag. Maybe they are a double Aries, Leo, Sag. Like they have their sun sign, their rising sign, or their moon sign, or their Mars also in Aries, Leo, Sag. So double passion. Maybe you both are Aries, Leo, Sag. So you both like that, you know extra intensity. So yeah, or maybe this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Scorpios are also very wild, very, they like to think about everything. But especially I feel their Mars is in Aries, Leo, Sag, because they have this energy like, yes, 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 I want you, I want you. The more they have, the more they want you. So you might get a bit like, okay, let's take some rest, let's take some rest. But they are like, no, let's do it again. They want to really work hard at pleasing you, really, trust me, because they are like, I will prove them, like, I know everything, I know everything. They're gonna take some charge here. So yeah, and they have worked hard for it. I don't think so it's usual that they go out so wild and often, go into bed like this wild beast or this wild woman. But I think they have worked very hard to plan this, or to, study it thoroughly before coming into this, movement with you. They have really planned it, studied it, like, oh my god, I want to, be perfect. They want to be perfect for you. They don't want to let you down or let themselves down. So yeah, they are like, I'm the tiger, I'm the tigress, I'm gonna prove it. So yeah, gets ready for some steamy hot action. And look at that, the moon. Wow. I do feel this person might take you, they like the moon. They like, on full moon nights, I think this person might get a little too, crazy about passion. You might find them on full moon nights very, very passionate, even like, oh my god, what's gonna happen next? I think the minute you see this person, you will go like, they can turn you on just by their look, just by the way they have that style. Look at this person. They have beautiful, they can make any person go weak by the way they walk and enter the room, and the way they sit and the way they look. Look at them. They are so dashing. So charming is not the right word. They are dashing. Look at them. I think everybody feels them. Even, if they are a man, even other men feel like, oh my god, what's them, what is it? They have that power, they have that very strong aura, and you're gonna feel like weak. They're gonna make you, this is gonna be a very long wet night, trust me. I don't know if you're gonna like such long nights, but they're gonna love it. And I told you, they might be a Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, baby. So get ready, they mean business and they'll love it. I think you're gonna love it also. But yeah, they are into role playing, they are into perfection, and they also are very poetic, so they might read some poetries to you, or some, you might be very poetic, so you might read them some poetries or some, extra. If she's a woman, she's extra sexy, like she has, big boobs and all those things, so she's extra sexy. But if they are a man, they are very powerful, very powerful. Look at that, the Empress. Ooh. And the Emperor. So you are a match made in heaven. So look at that. Wow, this is a match made in heaven. And don't worry, they will protect you. It is not like this person is too much of a wild beast, but they just can't hold. You guys are opposites in some way, and the perfect match. Like, look at that, the Emperor and the Empress. Oh, if anyone can take their wild passion and hold it in, it is you. It is you. So, and they can't be, this aroused or this excited or this passionate with anybody else, because only you have that power. You are like this moon, and the wolf is like, I am lost in their eyes. I can't help it. And I think, even though this person will try to dominate you, but it is like, you hold their switch and on off switch, and you can turn them on and off just by the way you look, just by the way your eyes are. So if you turn your head away, this person is like, okay, fine, I get the message, I need to stop now. So they are very intelligent, and you hold this person's power. Trust me. So even if you may find it like, you may be very, if you are a female, you may be very feminine, very gentle, you may be like a waterfall, and this person is like fire. So imagine fire and water together. It's like, whew, mad, mad passion, mad excitement in the bed. But, and they might also be like, nope, I'm gonna rule you. They are into these things, blindfolds, role playing, and they also might, I think they love your body parts, especially the feminine parts, they love it. They are obsessed with it, and the way you are. But you hold the same power. You have a very gentle power, the female in this reading. And although this person, the man, the guy would try to dominate you, but it is actually you dominating them. So it's actually very exciting and sexy. And I think this person will really never understand who is the one dominating them, because they might feel it's them, but I think it is you dominating them. Look at that, she has her feet high, and when she puts it down, it's like the switch, and like this person can turn off. If you are not there, they won't feel this passion. So you are like this. I also see this is a very spiritual relationship. Like, you might have your chakras being activated during this lovemaking or during this night, and they're gonna make it. They are going to work very hard to please you, because this person is a perfectionist. They have thought about it whole lot. They have actually studied things. And three of pentacles, yeah, and they want you to enjoy it and take part, and don't be feel left out. So they won't just dominate you, but yeah, that's their initial idea. They might get a little, too carried away with their 50 shades of gray kind of things, but they will quickly come back the minute you are like, hey. The minute you say, you change your tone, and they are like, okay, fine, I'm back, yes baby. So you hold the power here, you are both, and I think you will take turns in dominating each other. So expect some wild passion, some mild. There is nothing mild about this lovemaking. This is wild, this is passionate, this is gonna last for, this person isn't gonna stop. So get ready, friends. You both are not going to stop. It might go on for hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. So get ready. Only thing that can stop them is you. So, yep. Let's see what else. Message in a bottle. Yeah, I do feel this person might take you out on a sea, or maybe you are out on a mountain or in the hills, because I think they like those places, hills, mountains, the clear sky, the snow-capped peaks. They like it, and I do feel they will let you know that I'm so sorry for the camera shuffle. I think they will let you know that they will always let you know when they are in this mood of this wild play. They will always let you know, because message in a bottle is like they letting you know before, like, yeah, hey, I'm in this mood, I'm in this crazy mood. I also feel like they like to bathe with you a lot in the tub, with pearls, with glitters, with some stuff. So yeah, they like those. They have a fantasy of you and the water and the tub and the shower, so they will probably bathe with you a lot. I don't think so you will. I think you this person is like always after you, so you might have to tell them like, hey, it's relax. Yeah. Mending, number 52. Wow. I think so. You might find, if you are very, very, even if she's a woman, you may find like they are too much into their passion. So you might at times have to, tell them like when to stop or not. So that is there. So I do feel like, you will have to make some work, like understanding your sexual needs or expectations. They will work, and I think you will learn to understand. There is a lot of power in this and person and you. You are perfect for each other, but sometimes they might get a bit carried away. So you will have to tell them, like, hey. So that ways they're gonna work at it. Love abounds. Wow. See, I think it might start, this marriage or this relationship might start with a lot of sexual chemistry and unimaginable passion, wild, wild nights. I think I see you getting, very, very excited, but it will turn your passions, it will turn into a lot of love, it will turn into a lot of I think you will make this person soften, and when they soften their approach in their bed, I think you're gonna really, that is when the love will, the love making will actually make you feel, it will cross the boundaries of, how do I say, it will lead to a spiritual awakening. You might get an orgasm or something, because because the minute they will, you will merge in some way, you will change this person, and the way you will make them milder or softer. And when they do that, when they involve their heart, and not just, they are very physical about things, but when you are there, they will change. And when they change, that is when this will be a union of two souls merging. So it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Wow, awaiting results. Yeah, I do feel you both have different styles of lovemaking, so it's gonna take them some time to work it out or understand each other's expectations. But don't give up. They are a very sweet person and they are a perfect match for you. It may take this relationship some time to blossom or to kickstart. Even if you are on this, first night, they may wait a little to show you that they are quite a beast. They are quite into your beauty. They are, completely aroused by your beauty. So they'll take their time, although they are, once they start, they are very hard to stop. But I do see, for you, they will change their ways. This person can change their ways just for you and only for you. Otherwise, they are extremely dominating. So don't expect that any other man or woman can change their love style or their love making style. No, only you can. So they will be patient for you. They will become more patient for you. And that is when the extra, this Kundalini rising will happen for you both. And it will be amazing then. Let's see your love advice. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations will bring you together. Wow. I do feel you haven't met this person yet. Or maybe the viewers are single from a long time. So, yes, this person is the one that you are manifesting, and you're going to have this one night or this marriage with them. I also feel. Maybe you are in separation with this person right now, so they are trying to manifest you back. You both are calling each other. This is like the spirit, the soul is calling, your hearts are calling for each other. And there will take some adjustment in this connection, even in the love making scene, because you both are a little different in your love making. But man, when you both become like, when you both become to merge in each other, it's wild, it's wild, it's a definitely out of this world. So get ready. This is something you are manifesting. This is something they are manifesting. You both are manifesting it. So are you ready for the surprise? Yes, friends, this reading has a special surprise. Are you ready for it? So let us see what this person wants to say to you right now, because this is the holiday season. So I wanted to add some extra, messages from this person. So let's see. Are you ready for your message? So let's see the message from this person. Okay. Ta-da! This is your message from your person. Look at that. Just like they open you up, like unwrapping you. Here is their message. Let's read what they want to tell you. So this is from the person that you will have your first night with. My dear beloved soul, we are one and always united. I know how much you miss me, how hard you're looking for me. The same longing I feel for you. Don't worry, my love, we will meet very soon. I am getting ready to be the right lover and friend for you. This weight is aching me, but I have hope and joy of meeting you very soon. This hope and joy is keeping me alive every day. I love everything about you, and I miss you so very much. Wow, I do feel you know this person probably, and you are not in contact, or you are single and you both are trying to, souls know each other before they meet. So, this is a message from them, like they know you, you know. We are one and always united. I know how much you miss me, how hard you're looking for me. So, you're looking for this person or looking for this lover. Same longing I feel for you. Don't worry, my love, we will meet soon. I am getting ready to be the right lover and friend for you. Yeah, they will work for, being the perfect partner for you, being the perfect sexual chemistry for you. Yeah. This weight is aching me, but the joy and hope of meeting you is keeping me alive. So they are also waiting on the time when you are both going to meet and have this amazing chemistry and this amazing magical moment again. So, oh my god, this is beautiful. I love how passionate they are for you, and I love how you beautifully tame this beast. It is like the Beauty with the Beast, story. And look at that. And I hope you enjoyed this beautiful unwrapping of this letter from your person. And that's what Magic Vans Tarot is about. Some surprises, some magic for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Miss Tixie saying bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 3, let us see what is the first night, how your first night will be, who it will be, and what will happen. Let's see some extra juicy details today. These are your oracle messages. These are your love messages. Let's see who is the person, what will happen. And some extra spice and magic for you will happen at the end of this reading. So wait for it, friends. There is a surprise in this reading just for our viewers. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. So, wow, let's see. Wow, your first night, the Magician. I think your first night is going to be magical, something you don't expect, and something you or your person both are not expecting. So it is going to be fun, it is going to be magical, and I do see it might be somewhere where you don't expect it to be, like you are at a resort or at a different place than usual. So it is beautiful. And let's see, I also feel like the Fool. Wow, I do feel like this person, they are very warm hearted, they are very loyal, and they have this beautiful chemistry with you. I feel like on your first night, they are going to really do something which is different. It will be different in some way which you will notice about it. Like maybe they take, they are going to surprise you first. That is what I feel. This person is going to surprise you, like you might not be expecting, but they have made reservations for you in a palace, or maybe in a fort, or maybe it is a royal heritage building, or it is somewhere unique. It is very unique where they are going to take you, and it will be like a leap for you. It will be like, oh my god, I was not expecting that. So they have planned something for you which is very special for your first night. I also feel that this person, they are someone who really, they might bring in they have a lot of flowers on the bed. I see that pink roses, some red roses. They also have a lot of beautiful gifts around, some teddy bears. So this person is like very, very charming and cuddly, and they will plan this date or this first night on a very different place than where you usually meet. So I do see it might be in a very lavish hotel or a very lavish resort or a palace. I keep seeing a palace or a fort. So get ready. It's going to be exciting. I think you will be looking forward to this. Wow, you'll be like, oh my God, I wasn't expecting that. I'm so excited. So that's how your first reaction will be. Who? I wasn't expecting it. It will be here. They might surprise you. They might take you like, hey, let's go for a trip. And they might take you there and like, hey, this is a surprise. You'll be like, whoa. And Wheel of Fortune, yes. I do feel it will be a very, it might come, this first night might come out of chance for you, or might begin very suddenly, when you're least expecting it. Or you are single from a long time, so you might be getting married, and very quickly you are into your first night. So you are like, what happened? When did I do something so great, something so nice that I'm here? I didn't even realize it. So it's gonna be quick. This person is quick. They're gonna take you to dancing, and they're gonna, I think you will least expect it. That's when they are going to surprise you with this first night, with all the planning. And I do see that they like to dance a lot. They like to petals, flowers. They like to shower you with maybe flowers, or maybe with some honey or milk or ice creams. So they are that, they are that person who likes to really indulge in things and make it large scale. So yeah, I also feel this person might take you out. It might be in some another country or city. So that is their plan. They are planning. I could see this person right now booking the flight tickets or the tickets or reservations. So it might be somewhere outside your first night, is in some other city or country than your usual place. And you are like, oh my God. And they might have planned something for the plane also. So get ready. This person is kind of kinky. They can make love anywhere. I mean, like, they like to surprise you. They are like this magician. They are like, hey, let's do it. So he'll be like, yeah, and you're like, yeah, why not? And I mean, they have planned it. It's not like it is like they're gonna jump on you out of nowhere, but no, they have planned it. They are an expert. And you may find like, this person can kiss you at places in public and nobody just notices it, or just doesn't even get to know, are aware that this person is kissing you. So they are a fond of surprise. This person is like a magician. They have a lot of tricks up there. you know they have a lot of tricks. You got to get ready. You will be excited like, oh my god, this person is fabulous. They are a good talker. They are very charming. They will take you out. They will take you for dancing. They might also take you for some music concerts. You might have the same music, you might like the same sort of music or movies. And that's when they will start like, yeah, let's do it. The nine of wands. Yeah, I think this person is quite passionate. They are very passionate, and they have a lot of trouble keeping it under wraps. They get really excited, and on your first night they're gonna have they are unstoppable. They're just gonna go on and on and on. And I do see you'll be like, wow, you are mesmerized. But they have a lot of planning done for you, like taking you out on a trip, then on a maybe for a movie or for a dance or a show, and then taking you to the to the room. And so they have it all planned, and they are like, I'm gonna achieve it. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna achieve my super ambitious plans in bed. I'm gonna take it all. I do see that, you might be, this person likes to play hard to get, or you like to play hard to get. I don't know which one of you it is, but one of you is like, nah. They like to play hard to get, and I do see they are into, like, swanking and all those things. So they are a little hard kind of a lover, hard in the sense, like, they are physical, they are intense, they have an intensity, but they also like to, their mood changes very quickly. I see this person is quite moody, so their love making style is like, one time they may be very sweet and very charming, the next is they are very like, ooh, I can't stop it, I'm going wild and crazy. They might shout a lot, or they like to shout a lot. And I also feel like their style of love making on your first night, you might be like, oh my god, what will people say? We are outside. They are like, nah, I don't care, I'm gonna smooch you. So that's the way they are. And oh my god, you have the tower. I do feel that will be in a palace or in a resort or some castle, or maybe it is by the sea, at the oceans. They're gonna take you on a holiday, and they have this fondness of public display of affection. I know someone, when someone can, I triggered here, but don't get triggered. It's like they want to smooch you in front of people, like hug you, like she's mine, he's mine, I like it, I own them. They have that vibe, and they have worked for it. It has taken them a long time to have you officially, or to be there, to have you there in their arms. So they are like really proud, so they're gonna show off you a little. And I think the chemistry will be really, really hot here. This person is mad when they get into the bed and into their passionate side. They are very intense, very intense. And I think you both will find it, this first night will be very intense, very deep. I don't see any conversations, it is just pure love making, pure passions, fire on fire. So wow, I keep getting that song also, Fire on Fire from Ed Sheeran, Five of Swords. I do feel, this person has never seen a love like yours. So they have been betrayed a lot, or maybe you have been betrayed a lot, so they are very proud to finally have a soulmate, to have a loyal partnership they can call their own. So you both will be very excited, very intense. And they are, they like, you may find them a little on the intenser side of passion, because this person is very passionate. And they like, under the covers, and in the darkness, maybe in the night, they also will be like very touching you a lot. They also want, like, you touch them a lot, even in the public. So they are like, they have a lot of tricks. And also I feel they have a lot of toys. They like to use those things, toys, tools, essential oils. This person is like a magician. They will read every trick and they will apply it, like, hey, let's try this. They might even have a light saber, those light swords. I don't know why, but they have it, because they are a gadget freak, so they have there a lot of gadgets with them. So get ready to be fantasized. And oh my god, the Eight of Swords. This person will definitely is into handcuffing and all those things. They just love it. I think they're gonna let you do them for, they will love to have their hands tied and you kissing them. And they like it, they love it. They like it when your eyes are closed, and even the lights are closed, and there are just the candles, or there is just music and you and them. It's going to be hot, it is going to be crazy, and it is going to be mad and intense. I think you will be surprised, because this person never, they keep their sexual passions quite under control. And I think they have never really experienced it, never. Maybe it is their first time, maybe a lot of people ditched them, maybe it is the same for you, a lot of unrequited love. But when you finally meet, it is like a frustration coming off from years and years of being rejected. So they are like, oh my god, I'm coming to life. So it's like you are giving life to each other. It's mad, it's intense, it's passionate, it's loving, it's caring, it's beautiful. And look at that, Eight of Cups. I do feel there is a lot of wine, there is a lot of drinking, and I also see like, you might feel a lot of thirsty. Thirst is also there. So this person, they are a bit hard to stop, but I do see that they have their love making scene is always different. You can never know what they are up to in the bed. They like, some days they are very like, hey, I'll cook the meal for you, so they'll cook it for you, and like, oh my god, they are extra sweet and ultra sugary. And the very next day they are like this, oh, I'm the devil for you, you are my angel. And the very next day, hey, I'm your prisoner, take me to heaven. So this person is like, they have a different mood every day. I don't think so you will ever get tired of them, and I think you both have taken a long time to reach this stage of finally finding someone or being officially together. So it has this maybe if you know this person, this relationship has gone through a lot of ups and downs. So maybe this person was once your ex-husband wife, so, or they're your twin flame or your lover, so they will finally come back, and like, it's like, oh my god, we can't believe it. So it's mad, it's fun, sometimes I do see they might make love. Okay, I'm getting a very funny thing here. I think this person might be a celebrity or someone who has a lot of contacts, and I do feel they might get an entire theater for you and just to make love, and like take you out there for a date or a fun park, like this rides and all, and they might just book it entirely for you and them. Yeah, so imagine the planning that goes into it. So this person is like head over heels in love with you, but you'll never get bored. They are intense, they are soft, they are loving, they have a mood every day. Like 7 days they have different moods. You can never get bored with this person, and they don't give up. If you are not ready, they will keep pestering, like, hey, let's get ready. I'll do something to make you ready. This person is your soulmate. Absolutely, they are your soulmate, and I do feel you have taken a long time to reach this place and this intimacy and this comfort. So it's a relief. It's like this feeling of tower movement, like, oh my god, unexpected, but oh wow, we feel nice. And to the sea, yeah, I do feel they might take you out on a cruise also, in a ship or a boat or a cruise. And that's where they will make love. They might be a very someone who is rich or someone who has a lot of contacts. So get ready, this person has a lot of tricks up their sleeves. Never a boring day with them, never a boring night with them. Opportunity beckons. Yeah, I do feel this person has they like your back, your bottom. They have a very I don't know how to say, they dream about it, they have a fantasy about it. So they really really enjoy you and watching you standing, and they standing with your they have, even if they are a man, you love their bottom, their shoulders, the way they look from the back. You just love it, you adore it. Sacral chakra, oh my god, there is so much of passion in this connection. There is also creativity. You might both be I don't see them they might touch you a lot, even like in the car or in the, like, they are always looking for your hand. I see them looking for your hand, but you might be, but their love making is mostly in the night. I see you might be creative, so they might be like, make love and write the songs. You might be this person might be like Shakespeare and you, or Jane Austen, and you both are like inspiration for each other. So they will make a lot of intensity, lot of love, a lot of sexual passion, and it will lead to some sort of a creation, the magician, some creative art, some creative dance form, some writing, some poetry, some music. And I think you both may be artists, or this love making will actually open your sacral chakra. Together you will both work at it. So wow, I love this. And you can, there's never a dull moment. They have a lot of things up their sleeves, they are full, they are a trickster in some way. Like they will always, you will never have, you can't guess what they are up to, their next moment, what they will do in their first night. I see it might be a week or so, or 3-4 nights. Unrequited love, yeah, there is not enough attraction or chemistry. Yeah, you had both been broken hearted, you had both been through rejection, and I think you both had been through the same. So they will like, see baby, I'm not gonna let you get bored, I'm not gonna let you go away. I think you will take some time to warm up to this person, because you had been rejected before or something like that. But they understand it, they understand it. They will give you the time. In fact, they will keep you guessing, so you will be like, you'll forget that you need some time. You will become involved in the game, like, okay, what is next, what is next, what is next. So they are like a magician. It's like a chess game for them, this love making. They have planned every move of theirs, and you are the queen or the king they want to checkmate. True love, this is the romance of a lifetime. Yes, 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 it is the romance of a lifetime. It is coming for you, friends. And it is a very exciting connection. It is intense, it is deep, it is life changing. I can't even describe it in words, because they are very intense, this person, and very different. I think you might be very surprised when you see them. It's every day something new, every night is something new with them. Uh, yeah, this is the true love of your lifetime. So, are you ready for Magic Vents Tarot's magic? The magic moment. Let us see what this person wants to say to you, or what is their message to you. And here is the message. Yes, a little bit of surprise. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know if you enjoyed this. So, what this person want to say to you? Let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that. So, let's see what they want to tell you. So unwrapping your person, they want to say something nice to you. Let's see. My dear beloved, I love you forever and ever. Knowing you has been a blessing. You changed my life and making me a better human being. My dear, I love your beauty and your wisdom. I wish we were close. I wish we were closer and in union forever and ever. I am coming soon for you, my dear, and will make love to you. I am yours forever and for always. Wow, this is beautiful. So they are saying that, I love you forever, and knowing you has been a blessing. So maybe this person has been rejected a lot, or maybe, you feel like nobody will love you, or you won't find true love. So they are reassuring you that knowing you has been a blessing for them. You have changed their life and making me a better human being. My dear love, your beauty, I love your beauty and your wisdom. Yeah, they love the way you look, especially the way you look from behind, the shoulders, the back, the neck, everything. They love it. I wish we were closer and in union forever. So they are like, they can't let go of your hand. They will always be like extra touchy. You may not like it, but they are like, no, I want to show off. So they want to feel you close, like always hugging you or touching your hand, grabbing your hand. I'm coming soon for you, my dear. I love you and I'm yours forever. This is so beautiful. Wow. And I wish you a lot of love, friends. And I hope you enjoyed this reading. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. We'll see you on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.